Welcome to Dobby Repairs. I'm Dobby the Fixing Elf, and this is what's in my toolbox, the series where I show you the tools I use to repair cars and fix things. So let's find out what's in my toolbox today. And in this installment we have this relay tester from Temu. So it's an automotive relay tester. It tests the three main types of automotive relays. It does 4-pin and 5-pin, as you can see on the switch, so you just flip the switch between the different pins. So the sort of relays it tests are this sort here. This is fairly simple. This is actually a fuel pump relay out of a Suzuki. And yeah, so the idea is to plug your relay in and you hit the test button. But before we do that, let's just go through a few other things. I'll set it up and give you a little demo. Yeah, so to start off with, you have two crocodile clips, and this is where you clip to your battery, not powered itself, but you just clip this to your car battery. Or in my case, you'll see in a moment, a jump pack. And yeah, it's quite small, quite compact, easily keeping your diagnostic box. And yeah, it just rules out the most common failure of relays, is where they don't clip over. So here is my jump pack, and just hook this up. So as always, positive first, and then negative second. Yeah. Give it a thumb, and we'll just turn on the relay tester. You can see it's lit up now, because there's no relay in it, it's glowing red. It will also glow red if there's a relay that it can't test. So if you pop a relay in there and it can't test it, it will glow red. I'll put this in the right way, this is the right one for this relay. And all you have to do is press the button and let it click through. And that relay passed the test. It does click off fairly quickly on this one, and it will automatically start if you turn it on like that. But if it fails to test, or you remove it, it'll glow red, and if you get a red light, it's bad relay. Green light, good relay. Mostly. There can be a few issues where they fail in different ways, but it's really useful. And this little setup I've got here is really useful for testing at scrapyards or junkyards. So you go there looking for relays, you maybe can't find them online. Certain car manufacturers have specific relays and so difficult to get hold of. Yeah, this little setup means you test them in the scrapyard, you haven't got to bring a whole load home. And then have a load of dead relays, and it also rules out that you go to a scrapyard or you buy a new one. Sometimes you can't get, like these ones, you can't get new anymore. It's like I can't seem to find them anywhere new. Yeah, so pulled this out of the junkyard and scrapyard. Really useful. But yeah, back to the tester now. It's quite handy. We'll say obviously it needs a 12-volt power supply, which does make it a bit more tricky. Let me get this unplugged out of the way. Incidentally, if those of you who've been watching my videos for a while may notice this is a slightly different jump starter. Unfortunately, someone stole the last one, so we've upgraded to this one from the 1200 to the 1500. We'll do a video on this at some point. It's very similar to the other one, it works really well. So keep an eye out for that. But yeah, so back to the tester now. It works really quite well. Saves a lot of time. And like I said, it was cheap enough. It was just under £7 off Temu at the time I bought it. So it's not too bad at all. Obviously their prices vary wildly, so maybe different. You can also get it from Amazon. I think it's about £15–20 on Amazon for exactly the same model of relay tester. There is a code on the back here, which is CNBJ707, and they're pretty much the same all over. But now moving on to my final thoughts. I actually quite like it. I've really enjoyed using it, and I don't use it all that often. It's one of those tools that you don't want to pay too much for, so you're not going to use it all that often. But when you do use it, it does save a lot of time, especially when diagnosing troublesome issues. So I'm going to give this a 4-spanner rating, and I'll pop up here as always. Yeah, it's a really handy little tool, and if you're looking for a cheap relay tester, I highly recommend this one. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful or entertaining, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps both the channel and me out. If you're new here, consider subscribing. I post 2 videos a week, so by subscribing, you'll never miss a thing. Got any questions or suggestions? Drop a comment down below, and I'll do my best to reply to everyone. Here at Dobby Repairs, we're all about helping you learn how to work on your vehicle safely and showing you don't need to spend a fortune on tools to get the job done. Want to support the channel further? Become a member, starting at just 99p. Members get perks like early access to videos and more exclusive content. Keep fixing, and I'll see you in the next one.